Hi guys, Rick Kreczmer here with RoboVent. Wanted to give you a little look inside of RoboVent and talk about our new Spire. When we designed this new Spire, we had several things that we wanted to accomplish with it. Our first goal was to have a small footprint. From there, we wanted it to be easy to install for our people as well as people that just bought the Spire and installed it themselves. And then we wanted it to be easy to maintain throughout the life of this collector on someone's shop floor. And I think we accomplished that with the Spire. The Spire footprint is 3 foot by 3 foot, so it doesn't take up hardly any space on the factory floor. It ships in one piece, controls included. Basically all you do is stand it up, run mechanicals, ductwork, compressed air, and electrical, hit go, and you're ready to go. It's got a really easy control panel. It's got a 7-inch HMI, so it's really easy to see. And I told the folks designing it, I want it to be like your iPhone. You know, no training necessary. You're just able to control it. Dust is collected in a pretty good sized dustbin, 15-gallon dustbin. Really easy to pull out, dump it, and then put it right back in. And then the big thing is filters, right? I didn't want the filters to be too heavy, so this is a 12-inch diameter filter, 26 inches long, 10 filters in total, servicing about 5,000 CFM for weld fume applications. So those are easy to go in, easy to go out, even when they're loaded up. The test rig behind me, we did several things with it. Obviously it has a plexiglass side so we can see inside of it. We wanted to see if downflow horizontal filters was a viable solution for weld fume. And with the sides, we could see as dust came in, it would load up on the filter. When we pulsed it, it would pulse down and go down to the collection point underneath the filters. It worked really, really well in the shop. The pressure drop was really low. From there, we ran it through what's called an ASHRAE 199 test, which is, basically shows you how efficient the dust collector is from inlet to outlet. By efficiency, I mean how well does it clean the dust. We saw really, really good results with that. It's a long test. It's about a 48-hour test. So we could see how often it pulsed, when it actually pulsed, how well it cleaned. We could see the pressure drop through the life of the test. And then we also got to see, the pressure drop stayed low. So in combination with our variable speed drive, we knew that we would get a low energy cost for the blower. So had really, really good results in the demo lab. So we said, let's get it out to the field, put several out into the field, had it out there for 6 months plus. Saw really good results on tough applications. So we launched the Spire in November of 2019. It's about 5 months later, so end of March. And we've got 40 plus Spires running on mostly weld fume applications, robotic weld fume applications, running really, really well. So again, the footprint of this thing is 3 foot by 3 foot. It services 5,000 CFM of air for weld fume, source capture weld fume, and they're working great. Hope you enjoyed this look inside of RoboVent. Thank you.